that day, this is what reminded me, there was a writer there from Haaretz in Israel, a newspaper, and he told me a story that I've never forgotten. I asked him, how long have you been in Berlin? And he was there for 7 years. And he told me his first night in Berlin, late at night, he's sitting in a McDonald's reading a Hebrew newspaper. An elderly German drunk comes in and looks at the paper and says, I know what that is. And he says, what? He says, that's Hebrew. And he says, how do you know Hebrew? And he starts saying Shema, because he had heard it so many times during the war, when that's the last words they would say, right? Yeah.